Do you know massaging your scalp for 5 minutes can increase your inches of your hair? Try it out and it really works so very well. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Anora and I am back. Guys, you can see I am here with my natural hair. I am here to show you guys how I treat my natural hair with rice water. As you can see, I'm just combing my hair. That is my hair, you guys can see. So I'm using rice water for today just to treat my hair, to keep my hair healthy. I'm starting it today, like I've never used rice water on my hair. So that's my rice water. I prepared it already. I'm just pouring it now in my spray bottle, and that is the spray bottle right there. Any kind of spray bottle you have, you can use it. And now I'm just like going in spraying on the hair. The water, the rice water, it's cold from the fridge, you know. I did it and I stored it in the fridge, so it's really kind of cold. If you see my face doing a type, just know it's because the water there, it's quite cold. So I just said, let me try this rice water. This is my first try of rice water on my hair. I really want to see how the say grows hair, it do that on the hair. So let me go with you guys on this my journey of rice water. So I'm just opening my hair part by part and just applying on my scalp. Look at my face, what's happening, Anoras? Okay, so now I'm just doing the same process. You know, you have to open your scalp, just make a straight line and spray it. No, comb your hair first, detangle it, whatever you want to do, detangle your hair first. Okay, so just putting in my scalp. So now I'm done. I've soaked all the hair in the rice water. As you guys can see, my hair, it's soaked. It's not water, it's rice water that I soaked my hair with it. So massaging it now for at least 5 minutes. Massage it everywhere, you know, that's it. And I take my shower cap and just put it on, let it sit for another 10 minutes. That's how I do my own. That is how I go for mine. Okay, so that is it. So now I'm done. 10 minutes, I just remove my
At this level, your girl is done with the washing and all the rest. So I'll just take off my towel where I washed the hair ready. Now I always love to dry my hair air dry. Okay, I don't use hand dryer on my hair, so I go with air dry. So I'll just let my hair dry for a little while. In the process of the hair getting dry, you just go in with your comb and make sure you detangle the hair. Okay, so that's just all about how I use rice water on my hair. I hope you guys love the video, and if you want to see like how I create my rice water, please just let me know in the comment section down below and I will do a video for you for that. Okay, and thank you also very much for your love and support on my channel. I do appreciate each and every one of you out there. Please, if you do like the video, do not forget to hit the thumbs up button, and if you're new here, please do not forget to do what, subscribe down below and turn on your post notification bell, so whenever I upload any video, you will definitely be the first person. So thank you also very much. I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye, and please do not forget to always drink you some water and mind you your own freaking business. Okay, peace out.